Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Chaffee. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, and Southwest Suffolk County on Long Island, serving the entire New York, New Jersey, Connecticut tri-state area with everything you need to make sure that you're prepared when it comes to hurricane season. If you've got to get some supplies, this is the place to go. Also, if you're thinking about maybe fixing up your yard for the fall because, well, the summer with the lack of rain has kind of burned everything up. You can head over there and get what you need. 631-756-1125 is the telephone number. Best prices anywhere. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. So we had a little wave move through overnight that brought some rain to southern New Jersey and Delaware, the Delmarva Peninsula, up to about New York City and Long Island. Now it's kind of shaving across southeastern New England and headed out to the northeast. We are waiting for that wave. We were waiting for that wave to move on through, and you can see improving weather conditions are settling in. And also, take a look at this line of clouds that you see back through central New York, northwestern Pennsylvania, and northern Ohio. That's the upper trough, and it's behind that upper trough that we have the really low dew points that we've been talking about this week. We're going to get some dew point relief this afternoon, and then that upper trough will swing through, and then we'll get into the heart of that dry air for Friday and for this coming weekend. See showers and thunderstorms blowing up along the Gulf Coast and offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. No development expected here. Strong winds in the upper atmosphere are going to prevent that. It's an upper trough that's sitting out there. And at midday, the monsoons haven't quite kicked in the southwest, but they will do so in short order. There's this wave we were talking about this morning that moved on through, developed from thunderstorms that formed in eastern Virginia and over into Maryland and the Delmarva Peninsula last night, brought some flooding rains there. Take every drop we can get. And, of course, north of New York City, it was pretty much a total miss here. But rain still moving through southeastern New England. The heaviest rain is mostly offshore, and that'll continue on to the east. And the upper trough that's coming, producing some showers and thunderstorms way up in northern New York. I don't really think that we'll see anything out of this when that moves on through. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, now this is for the period. I've already jumped over to tomorrow into Saturday. You can see that little loop there that they have in eastern Long Island and in Connecticut and Rhode Island. Because of where the upper trough is settling into the northeast, they're calling for maybe a chance that there could be a shower or thunderstorm. I think it's low, but it's not impossible that we could see something with the system, another system that's offshore and the upper trough itself. But during the day, Saturday and Sunday, it should be fine. We're looking at nothing much here from Maine down into the Carolinas. And you see the area around the Great Lakes with some general thunderstorms there. But that's nothing that we have to concern ourselves about at all. And then as we move on to Sunday, it's pretty well. I'm sorry, that was Saturday into Sunday. The 4 to 8 day outlook potential is too low for the entire time frame. So that's good news on that front. And rainfall, well, look what WPC did. Let's see if this materializes. But we're going to see, and if the models are right, I think we are going to see something like this. Inch and a half to 2 to 3 inch rains being forecast from northern New Jersey east across southern New England and Long Island. Hope this forecast holds, and the general 3/4 of an inch to an inch and a half right down into the Carolinas. Also, continuing to see some heavy rains right along the immediate Gulf Coast, and again, the continuous, what seems to be continuous rain shower activity going on in the southwest. Now, it's all about the positioning of these upper troughs that will drive how the weather will be going forward. When those troughs are on top of us or to our east, that puts us in a good spot. And I think we'll be okay for Friday and Saturday and probably through the daytime Sunday as well. This is bringing in the dry air. Part of it is going to lift out. Part of it gets left back. And then there's a little more energy that starts to drop down on Monday. And that trough sets up to our west. You can see a little circle there over western Pennsylvania. That's in a prime position to produce some decent rainfall here for Monday and Tuesday and maybe even into Wednesday. Then we'll just have to wait for the whole trough to pull out. And longer term, there's probably going to be more troughing moving into the eastern part of the United States down the road. So maybe this dry spell that we've been in is going to come to an end as these troughs start dropping back into the eastern part of the United States and making it a better environment for rainfall to occur. As far as the rest of today goes, improving weather conditions, temperatures into the 80s. Friday, we're looking at what should be a sunny day. The only thing I would caution is that maybe over southeastern New England and over eastern Long Island, there could be some clouds around because of the system being just offshore, far enough that most of the area is fine, but the areas right near that, what I just mentioned, are going to be closer to that old frontal boundary and the upper trough dropping down. Saturday looks okay. Again, just be a little cautious with maybe some clouds over eastern Long Island and southeastern New England. Temperatures Friday and Saturday, upper 70s and lower 80s. Humidity levels very low. I think we're good through Sunday morning. And then you start to see as that next upper trough comes down, the GFS keeps trying to push some showers into eastern Pennsylvania by Sunday evening. It's been showing less and less as we've gotten closer. I think it's just running out some moisture a little bit too quickly. So I think Sunday dayside should be fine. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s. Sunshine maybe with some arriving clouds. And then you can see as that low starts to cut off to our west, it generates showery rains during Monday that come up the coast. You see that low that's sitting down in Virginia is going to be generating some more rain for Monday night into Tuesday, and then maybe Tuesday night into Wednesday. And if the upper low takes longer and longer to get out of the way, showers are going to linger for a while. So again, it could be pretty productive as far as rainfall is concerned in the medium term for the first part of next week. Weather in 5, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125 is the phone number. And the website is omnitruevalue.com. So enjoy the improving weather conditions as we go through the afternoon and the lowering of the humidity. The Joe and Joe Show will be back Sunday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great rest of your Thursday.